They couldn't believe that a young boy could talk like that to them and challenge them like that. Because he already got kicked out of the house from his dad. Was he afraid of his dad? No. Now he's talking to the entire group of people that are worshiping these gods at their temple. Does it look like Ibrahim alayhi salam is afraid of people? No. Because when you don't follow the majority, when you don't follow the normal, then people start questioning you or threatening you or looking at you funny, and you start feeling intimidated. And then you're like, I just want to fit in. I don't want to be the weird one that sticks out. And it takes a lot of bravery to be Ibrahim alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam is not the one defending himself. Ibrahim alayhi salam is the one going on the attack. He's not the one who's being asked the questions. He's the one who is asking the questions. You guys are going to be at school. Some of you are going to public school. And you guys are old enough that you should be praying 5 times a day. And it's Dhuhr time. And it's a public school. And you can go to a corner and pray. But people are going to pass by you and say, hey, Muhammad, you got a bomb in that backpack? Right? Or some of you girls, your mom keeps telling you, wear hijab, wear hijab. Yeah, mom, of course, of course. As soon as you get 2 blocks before the school, because you want to be normal. Because you don't like the way people look at you. You don't like the way the people judge you. They think they're going to call you names. They're going to make fun of you. You're afraid of the opinions of other people. You're afraid of how people look at you. You're afraid of how people think you're less, or you're stupid, or you don't belong, or you're not good enough. You have these thoughts in your head. You don't say them to your parents. You don't tell them, but you feel it. Why am I telling you the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam? He is perfectly comfortable being the only one who is the way he is. Everybody around him is, you're wrong, you're not, you don't even belong. Even his dad rejects him. Does that make him weaker? No. No. If you're Islam, if you're being Muslim, you're like, I know I'm Muslim, but can I not do this or can I not do that because it feels weird, because people think it's weird? If your religion is being decided by what people think, then you may think you have Islam, but you definitely don't have the religion of Ibrahim. You don't have the religion of Ibrahim. I told you yesterday, our religion is called the religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam doesn't need someone else to stand on his feet. If there was no Muslim in America, if there was no Muslim in Houston, you were the only one. You're the only Muslim here. There was no masjid, nothing. You would still be as Muslim as you are right now with thousands of other Muslims around you. You would be as Muslim. That would be the religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. It doesn't matter where you are. You know when people say, Islam is so hard in America. It's so difficult for us. There's so much fitna. There's so much temptation. There's so much, the society is corrupt. And I'm like, what religion are you talking about? You think our religion comes from a society? No, our religion comes from Ibrahim alayhi salam. Did he have a society around him to hold on to his religion? No. No, he didn't. Get this in your heads. Get this in your heads. Never think of your Islam as something other than the religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. The religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. So now listen.